Hi guys, it's Deborah from Time is Jewel by Deborah. So today I'm going to do 2 fun boxes. So let's get started. I hope everyone's doing really well. I figured let's knock out a few and see if we got any good stuff. So this first box came from Suwanee, Georgia. I received it 12/14 of 2023. You know, I hold on to my stuff for a while. Alright. So I ordered this December 11th of 2023. Alright, let's open it up. Give you first looks. Alright, well, our first item is a large padded, really precious bra. Look at that. It is really padded. Designed in Los Angeles. Let's see what we can see here. There is a tag. It says 2 bras, smooth cups. So I don't know. Oh, that's why. So you can take these straps off. It's convertible. It's really pretty. By Spree Intimates. It's a 42 double D. And what I'll do is I'll put the prices up here and make them available for you guys. And if the items haven't sold within about a week, I will go ahead and list them on eBay or Etsy. Or on eBay, not Etsy, on eBay, or I will bring them to a live sale. So, all right, so cute. That's a nice bra. Okay, then we got a pair of Bombas. Great brand Bombas, extra large, black socks. These are fantastic. Love those. All right, and we got a scarf. Boy, this is pretty. It's navy, black, cream. What I'm doing is looking for holes and looking for material tags, maker's marks. I don't see any. I don't know if this is silk. This may be a polyester, but it's really pretty. I love that. That's nice. All right, then we've got a Kate Spade wallet, a small foldable wallet. Oh, it looks in great condition. Wow, nice. These are great for weekends or when you're out thrifting. You just pop this in your pocket if you don't want to carry your purse somewhere. So that is fantastic. Okay, then we've got a headband with ears. No brand. I'll definitely have to look this up. It's mustard yellow. It's got wire here. Let's see. There we go. What do you guys think? Well, I'm sure you could make it look really cute. I know Christina could rock this. All right. Let me go ahead and take that off. Cute. No name on that. Okay, then we got New Mix Premium Fleece Lined Leggings. One size fits all. No, it doesn't. But they are new in the package. They are black. I'll definitely need to look these up. I wear a lot of these when I used to walk during the winter. They have that lining in it. It makes it so much nicer. You don't get so cold when you're walking with that breeze. All right, then we've got a baggie. So this is box 1 of 2. All right, we've got a ring. It's heavy, whatever it is. A cute little baggie. Oh, it's a Chico's ring. It is a gunmetal. Really pretty and new with tags. Originally $28. Nice. This is a great box. Great. I like it. All right, let's see if it gets any better. Got another one. Sunglasses, you guys. Sometimes you do get really great brands in here for sunglasses, but a lot of the times they're no name. But they're always nice to have an extra pair in your car. So these are UV 400 protection. And they look brand new. Don't see any scratches, so that's great. I'll definitely look that up. It does have a UPC code, so that will make it a lot easier to look up. All right, and then we've got from Torrid. It's from Torrid Sleep. It's a size 6, 6X30. I'm not sure how their sizing goes, but it is a black. Oh, this is great. Okay, so it is a hooded, like, sleep dress, tunic. Wow. And it is super soft. Brand new with the tags. So great. So that is black. Nice. This is a great box. And the last item is a black pebbled faux leather is what it feels like. Front zip purse with beige. No maker's mark, but really pretty. It's a solid purse. It's got brown on the inside. You have a zip pocket in the back and 2 slip pockets right there. It's really pretty. No name. Definitely a faux leather back zipper as well. What a great box. I like it. Everything in it was really nice. So we got the purse. We got the Torrid. Definitely going to have to look that up. Sunglasses. The pants. Those are great, especially when you live in a cold environment like this. And then we have the headband. We have that beautiful bra. I love that. Then we have the scarf, and I dropped the Kate Spade. Then we have the Kate Spade wallet, and we have the Bombas socks. So, what a great box. So that's box number 1. Great. Nice. Let's see if box 2 can be just as good. All right. So, box number 2 came to me from Phoenix, Arizona. I received it 12/11 of 2023. I ordered it December 7th. All right, let's get this open. Give you guys first looks. All right, so in this one we got copper fit compression socks. These things are great. I don't know about the copper, you know, but they work really well. They're a size small, medium. So a women's 6 to 9. But yeah, compression socks are great, especially for our nurses. All right, we've got scrunchy head wraps. Oh, these are cute. It's a 5-pack. Different colors. Now these I could use, definitely. So that's good. Okay, then we got a little black, it feels like a updated corduroy faux pearl. That's really precious. Little purselet. No maker's mark. Here's the center. So it is a little clutch. Cute. I may, if no one purchases this, I may do this as a giveaway or sell jewelry in it, you know, something like that. So, all right, that's number 3. Number 4 is a belt. I do not like getting belts in here because they're usually no name. Doesn't look like it. Made in China. I will have to open that and get a size for you. It has the squared off studs. So I will unravel that and get you guys a measurement. Right. Necklace. It looks like a J. Crew. First impressions, I should say. And it does not mark. Yes, it is. Okay, it's a loft. So it's a brass tone, faux pearl, rhinestone necklace. It's pretty. So Loft, good brand. I love Loft. They make quality jewelry. I got lots of jewelry and littles in here. Okay, next we've got a pair of gunmetal earrings. They are hoops. Right there. So we got those. All right, try to get them back in their bag. All right, then we got a watch. It's a Michael Kors watch. Nice. I was looking to see if it was working. So here we go. Let me prove it like that. So it is gold tone. I'm going to turn this light off for a second. There we go. So there is the Michael Kors gold tone. There is a lot of wear here to the band, but the face is clean. Nice. This is a great box too, so far. We'll see. All right, then we got a pair of sunglasses, of course. These are, well, at least they're not chewed on. I've gotten a few of these boxes where the sunglasses have been like munched on. There is a number on there, but that's about it. So, oh, they're filthy and they look really scratched up. So those are most likely going to go into the garbage. I don't even think I would feel comfortable donating those. Okay. Then we got a pair of, oh, no, it's not a pair. It is Happy Holidays from Marshalls. And it looks like it is by Osos. Osos. You guys probably know this brand better than I do. It is a onesie with a headband. So we've got a onesie, pants, open foot. Thank goodness, because, you know, we don't need feeties on our stuff. We're old. So this is a size medium. Really cute. So blue. That's sweet. All right, now we've got Wonder Shop Super Soft Crew Sock earrings, socks. They are in Christmassy colors. So those are cute. I would bundle those together with other socks when I do like a live sale if no one decides they want them. All right, and then we've got a, hopefully this can be cleaned up. It is a backpack. There's a lot of like scratching or like something got on here on the vinyl, so I will definitely need to do it. It has a cute little bow. It's got hearts on the side. There's a little bit of wear. Let's open it up, see if the zippers work. All right, it does. I'm trying to figure out how. Okay, so you have this section here. I was trying to figure out why it felt so different. There is another zipper here, and then you've got a chain. So you can clip these off, clip them on. So I don't know, you could put something on there. You can hang something. Maybe you guys know. But it is like a faux leather. It's cute. If I can get that cleaned up, I think it's really nice. And that's different. I've never seen one with the open and then hanging stuff. So, you know, you could hang your keys in there. But I don't know what else you want people to really see, right? So, okay, unless you have something really fabulous in there. All right, so we got 1, 2 with the socks, 3 with the onesie, 4, 5 with the watch, 6 with the earrings, 7 with the bracelet or necklace, 8 with the belt, 9 with the purse, 10 with the scrunchy socks, and 11, if I counted correctly, the copper fit compression socks. So, all right. I think box 1 was better, but this is not a bad box. So you guys let me know. Did you like box number 1 or box number 2? And if you guys are interested, I would have popped up prices up below, or let you know if I was going to donate it, toss it, or list it. So, all right. Well, if you guys are interested, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com with the item number and the video date. And then for this one, you would put box 1 or box 2 with the name and the price I give you up here. All right, you guys. Well, thank you for hanging out with me. It is so good to see everyone. You guys have a fantastic day. And please remember, be well and take care of each other. And tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys. Have a good one.